Hi everyone, I'm Amy with Be Office Smart. Today's tip is how to fill in data or formulas. If you have a set of data in your spreadsheet and need to fill in or extend missing formulas or text, you can double click on the bottom right corner of the cell you want to extend. In column A, let's extend numbers two different ways. First, if we double click on cell A4, which contains the number 1, this will carry the number 1 down to the lowest row in the data set, which is C8. Now, let's enter 2 in A5. We'll highlight both numbers and double click. And this will keep increasing the number by 1. Excel will follow whatever pattern that you set. Let's fill in the equal sign now. Same thing, just double click. As you can see, it quickly copies and pastes the equal sign down our data set. In cell E4, I've entered a formula, which is A4 multiplied by C4. What do you think will happen if I fill this formula down? The formula gets filled in and the targeted cells shift with it. Let's look at another quick example. I've entered 7% in cell J1. Then in cell J4, I've entered the formula I4 times J1. What happens when I fill this formula down? Each cell in the column I get gets multiplied by 7%. The first cell reference in the formula gets changed, but the second formula is static, unchanged. This is due to adding the $sign in front of the cell reference. I hope you learned something new today that can help you be Office Smart. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy learning Excel. Also, please click the bell to stay notified when new videos are available. Thanks everyone. See you next time.